Join me in this video as I turn this 1.5 gallon tank into a little underwater ecosystem for these snails and shrimp. I'm starting off by adding some aqua soil, which is a nutrient-rich substrate, and keeping in mind where I want to put my plants. After cleaning up the substrate, I will cap it off with a thick layer of sand. This will not only be visually appealing, but also trap the aqua soil beneath. Eventually, once the plants are established, their roots will access this area. I'm adding some water to make it easier to plant. Both of these plants were salvaged from an old tank, and if you know the names of them, please leave a comment below. They will eventually root, so I am placing them in the back left corner of the tank. Here are more plants I salvaged, some Anubias and some Substrate. This plant is like a cross between moss and seaweed, but actually a type of fern. Here are some of the coolest rocks. I actually picked them up and this tank from a Facebook Marketplace seller whose garage actually had a better inventory than your local PetSmart or Petco. Never rush your hardscape. I played around with the layout quite a bit before I was happy. I'm not sure the species of Anubias. I got this from PetSmart, but I believe this is the variety. Let me know if I am wrong. After adding these floating plants, it's time to add our first inhabitants. These are considered pest snails, and you can get them for free from most local pet stores. This first plant has completely melted, so it's time to add a new plant to that back left corner. Like everything, there is a learning curve. I had no problems with the first plants, but I struggled with this planting. It took me quite a few tries to finally get this planted, and I ended up having to use my hands. After a little bit of housekeeping, the tank is looking great, but it's time to continue filling it in. To keep the ram's horn snails population in check, I will add this assassin snail. They are prolific hunters and will be a great addition to this tank. It's finally time to add the stars of the show. These are Blue Neocaridina Shrimp, and they should love their new home. I let them settle in for a bit before adding a 5-star meal. These are frozen brine shrimp and will be a nice treat. Overall, the tank is doing well, and I'm fighting a little bit of an algae issue, which I believe hitchhiked on the plants that I salvaged from my prior tank. This should go away with time, and I enjoy watching them constantly clean the tank They are such an underrated pet. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it to the end, please like and subscribe. It helps tremendously. And enjoy them chowing down.